Welcome. If you've ever muted someone on Instagram but later wanted to review or manage your muted accounts, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find your muted accounts on Instagram using your PC, all updated for the latest version. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Instagram's official website. Log in with your username and password if you aren't already signed in. Once you're on your Instagram homepage, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll notice several icons here, but what you're looking for is the More icon. It's usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots at the bottom of the menu. Go ahead and click on that More icon. A small menu will pop up with a few options. From here, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings, where you can manage everything from privacy to notifications. Inside the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Muted Accounts. Click on it, and you'll instantly see a list of all the accounts you've muted. This includes both muted posts and stories, so you can easily review who's currently hidden from your feed. From this list, you can choose to unmute anyone by simply clicking on their profile and adjusting your mute settings. Or, if you want to keep things as they are, you can just exit out and return to browsing as usual. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can now easily find and manage all your muted accounts on Instagram from your PC. This feature makes it super convenient to stay in control of your feed and ensure you're only seeing the content you really want. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.